everyone, I'm Natasha Matthias D'Souza. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to recreate Kareena Kapoor Khan's look from Lakme Fashion Week 2021. My recreation of Kareena Kapoor Khan's look from Lakme Fashion Week 2021.
Hey everybody, this is Chirag Bambor and you're watching me today on Celeb Looks 101, where I'm going to recreate one of the most sensational and the signature look of Kareena Kapoor Khan from the movie Ashoka. Chirag Bamor, and what I created for you today is none other than the most sensational signature look worn by Kareena Kapoor Khan for the movie Ashoka. Hi everyone, this is Chirag Bamor and I am on Celeb Looks One-on-One, and what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to create a very high fashion, newly trending look of Kareena Kapoor Khan. Hey everyone, so this is the look that I created today and I think it's amazing, and you're watching me today on Celeb Looks 101, and this is an intense smoky look which is trending and a very high fashion look that was carried off by Kareena Kapoor Khan.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers. Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.